Consistency is what separates a real brand from that random AI thing somebody posted. Audiences need to recognize your avatar at a glance, the same way they recognize their favorite human creators. This lesson covers the 3 techniques that make that possible. Technique 1. Seed reuse. Every AI image is generated from a seed, a numerical starting point. 2 images with the same seed and similar prompts will look nearly identical. In Midjourney, add seed 12345 to lock the seed. In Leonardo, copy the seed from a successful image into the seed field of the next generation. Pro tip: generate your hero image first. Once you have a face you love, write down the seed number. Use that seed for every subsequent image, only changing wardrobe, environment, and expression in the prompt. The face stays consistent. Technique 2. Reference image mode. Most modern tools let you upload an existing image as a face reference. Midjourney. Use Cref image URL to lock character reference flux. Via FAL, replicate. Use the PuLID or Instant ID reference modes. Leonardo. Use the image feature with strength set to 0.4, 0.6. HeyGen. The same source photo gets reused for every video automatically. Reference image mode is the single most important technique in this lesson. Master it, and consistency stops being a daily struggle. Technique 3. Custom-trained models, advanced. For high-volume operators, training a custom model on your character is worth the time investment. LoRA training via Replicate, FAL.ai, or Civitai costs $1 to $5, takes 20 to 40 minutes, requires 15 to 25 source images of your character. FluxDev LoRAs currently produce the most photoreal, consistent results. Once trained, you can generate unlimited images of your avatar in any setting, with the face locked permanently. Key point: if you plan to run this avatar for 6+ months, train a LoRA in week 1. The setup time pays for itself by the end of month 2. Generating new content becomes 10x faster because you stop fighting consistency. The 5 required emotional expressions. You need at a minimum these 5 expression variants of your avatar, all with a consistent face. Happy, warm smile. For celebrations, wins, success stories. Concerned, serious. For warnings, mistakes, problem framing. Excited, energetic. For announcements, launches, big news. Confident, direct. For authority statements, opinions, strong claims. Inspirational, hopeful. For motivation, faith, transformation. Content. Generate all 5 using the same seed, or LoRA, changing only the emotion descriptor in the prompt. Save them in your 05 emotion pack folder. Brand consistency checklist. Before publishing any content, your avatar should always have same face shape, eye color, hair color, length, same general age range. Don't drift older or younger over time. Recognizable wardrobe palette, 3 to 5 signature colors. Consistent setting style, always indoor, always natural light, always studio. Same logo or watermark in lower third when applicable.